Fairhaven Camps, just wanted to let you know, even though the snowstorm and things are going on, we're still working diligently to get our kitchen back up and running. And I wanted to show you the progress that our contractors had today from DP Pro. They've done a nice job. And as you can see, the floor in here, they've matched it up to our own floor. And they put down the underlayment, and looks like we're getting ready for putting in the new floor. So this is good progress, and we're so excited that we're probably not going to be down as long as we anticipated, but we still have a lot of work to do, and we do need to raise some money to help cover the rest of this project. So if you can, please go to fairhavencamps.org/donate today, and that will go directly towards this project here, trying to get our kitchen back operational. We thank you so much, and we'll keep you posted and give you progress updates as we go along. So thank you so much, and we'll be in touch.